Coffee lovers have always loved the Jetboil Flash Java, but the engineers at Jetboil really thought that we could provide a more intuitive, easier to use Jetboil Flash. This is the all-new Jetboil Flash Java 1.0 liter. This is your all-in-one backcountry coffee system. And what that means is everything is designed to nest together inside the cookpot. Your coffee press, your fuel can, your burner base, and your fuel can stabilizer. They pack together, forming a complete system like this. The Flash has always been about lightning fast boil times. This system will boil half a liter of water in 120 seconds. And that's thanks to our Jetboil patented flux ring technology. Here are some of the features you can expect to see on the new and improved Flash Java. First, there's a brand new ignition system. This is a patent pending design that includes the igniter inside the valve so that in one stroke you can flow your gas in your cooking. We've also upgraded the electrode design, and what that means is that the position of the electrode will never change, giving you a much more reliable ignition over time. We've also redesigned the burner base so that you have an orange rubberized grip zone. This gives you a safe place to put your fingers while you're interacting with the stove, whether you're connecting your cook pot or unlocking it, connecting your fuel can, lighting your stove, or adjusting your flame. Also, we've updated our pot to burner connection. This is going to make it even easier to lock and unlock and have a more secure connection on your cook pot. The Flash Java will continue to have all the features that you know, including insulated cozy, thermochromic window, which will change color when your water's boiling so you don't waste any fuel, a lid with a pour and straining location, and a bottom cover that acts as a measuring cup and a bowl. Flash Java is designed as a complete coffee system. However, if you remove your coffee press, you can use your Jetboil Flash to boil water for a dehydrated meal or anything else that you want on the trail really fast. With the 100-gram fuel canister that packs inside the cook pot, you can expect to get about 24 boils of half a liter of water. That's a lot of coffee. So if coffee on the trail is your thing, then the Jetboil Flash Java is for you.